Welcome back, everyone. We're going to continue on with our first program that we have written. Let's go ahead and click Run again, Run Project, and it will print Welcome to the console. Everything I have highlighted right now, just ignore it. Alright, we don't focus on it. I'm not going to explain it for quite some time. We're not ready for it yet. We're not ready for the explanation. If we're complete beginner programmers, which is the target audience. We're only going to focus on the code that is written between these set of braces for quite some time. Okay. So what we have highlighted right now is a program statement. A program statement is code that ends in a semicolon. In this case, we have some code that ends in a semicolon. Using this syntax here is how we print text to the console. Now let's go ahead and add another program statement. We only know how to do one thing right now, and that is to print basic text to the screen. I'm going to go ahead and type in some different text. This is Java. Let's go ahead and run, and let's see what happens. So welcome is printed on one line, and this is Java is printed on the next line, and the program will terminate. And we can add as many program statements as we would like. And when we run, they will be printed, the text within these quotation marks will be printed to the console. So to recall, when we type in text using this print line function that's supported by Java, it has to be surrounded by double quotes. If we do not put double quotes around it, it will not run. When we go to run, one or more projects are compiled with errors. Application you are running will end unexpectedly. I'm not going to run anyway. You can if you want. It's just going to crash. Now notice that the errors are underlined in red squigglies to indicate that there is an error. If we highlight or even left click on this little light bulb, it will say create local variable. Welcome. It'll give you some solutions. We're not ready for these yet because we only know about text. We don't know about variables. We don't know anything but how to print text. Basic text right now. We can't just put in any character within this, okay? But we will go over what characters can be printed and how to print any character later. But right now we can just print just most of the characters that are on the keyboard. All right. I'm going to go ahead and run this to make sure it runs correctly. It does. Let's go ahead and terminate the video here, and we will elaborate on this print statement in the next video. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to press onward.